Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Programming with Mohit. So today we are going to learn about how to install latest version of Java JDK on your Windows machine. So let's get started. So first thing, we have to open the browser of your choice. Go to the Google and just type in Java JDK download. Here you can find the Oracle website. Just click on it. So once you are in the website, you just go to the operating system of your choice. So we are doing it for Windows. So click on Windows. Now here you can find this installer. So we want to install the exe version of it. Just click here and it will start downloading. So you can see the size of this installer is around 158 MB. Now it depends on your internet speed, how much time it's going to take. So mine is a bit faster, so it's going to take like a couple of seconds. Perfect. Yeah, so once this is installed, click on this exe file and you'll get the wizard. Okay, just here. Okay, we'll wait for the wizard to come. Perfect. Now on the wizard, just say next here. So you can see the latest version is JDK 19.0.2. For the new versions also, the process should remain the same. Just say next here. This is the location where we are going to install the JDK. It is C program files Java JDK 19. You can even change this path, but better to keep this path. Just say next. All good. Okay, so it's going to take a bit of time. So it's copying all the important files right to the location where it's going to be installed. Perfect. Now Java JDK is installed. Just close this. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the Windows. We'll search for the environment variables so that you can actually open the command prompt and see whether it's been installed properly. So click on the environment variables. Here you will come to system variables. Click on path, double click path, and just go to the location in the Windows where the JDK has been installed. So this PC C drive. Under the C drive we have program files, then we have Java JDK 19. Then just copy this path, come back to the environment variables, say new here and paste it here, right? Now the good thing is always try to move it up so that if you have previous version of JDK installed, this will override that. Say okay, perfect. Now we are good to go. Now open the command prompt and just type in Java -version, and you can see that Java 19 has been installed properly, and it also comes with the JRE, so you don't need to install JRE separately. That's it. So we have successfully installed the Java today. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. See you next time.